The video for today shows an incident where officers were looking for a person with multiple warrants for his arrest. The officers knocked on the front door of a possible location where this man might be staying. They were greeted by a woman holding a firearm who then pointed that pistol at the officer. The woman tried to claim she did not know it was the police at her door, but prior to opening the door, she called 911 demanding to know why the police were at her door.
I would like to know who sent them to my house tonight, earlier, and why they're back, and who's back.
I'll let you see how this played out for yourself. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hello? Hello. It's okay. It's just the police. You can put the gun away.
Why are you here?
I'm looking for Justin Higgins.
Why?
He's got a warrant for his arrest.
Why are you here?
Hey! Put your gun out! God damn! What are you, nuts? Jesus, I get you get the door. You know I'm here. No reason to be waving the gun at me.
No, I don't.
Is Justin here?
No!
He's got a warrant for his arrest.
Walk around my house
All right.
and take your shoes off.
I'm not taking my shoes
Then
off.
put some booties on.
Jesus, God.
Nobody walks in my house without booties.
Where's Justin?
I don't know where he is.
Does he live here?
9170, 9171.
He hasn't lived here for 12 years.
House, you knocking on the door. One of the contacts was saying that they heard someone say inside the house she had a gun.
A 9170, she does have a gun. I'm inside the house. I'm talking to her. Okay. All right. Oh, Jesus.
Look around my house.
Is he here now?
No, he's not here.
Does he live here?
He hasn't lived here in 12 years.
Well,
So why do you keep coming here?
I don't know. They just told me
Guzman's
to
come here twice.
Okay.
Other cops have come.
All right.
He doesn't
all
live
right,
here.
All right. All right.
I'm a stenographer. I'm a court reporter.
Okay.
I used to work for Mini Court. You're badgering me.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm getting information. What's your name, hon? All right, Mrs. Higgins. Is that your husband?
Who? It's who, my husband? That guy. This guy. This guy.
No, ma'am. The guy come over here to see you about.
It's my son.
He's your
I
son.
thought you said.
No. Okay, so that's your son. Okay.
He's 37 years old. He lives on his own.
Okay.
He's going through a divorce. His wife is abusing the justice system.
No, I'm not going to argue that. I'm not going to argue that at all. But
And I'm a court reporter.
okay. Well, Mrs. Higgins,
Runner Brain is on the case.
Mrs.
Believe
Higgins,
me.
if I could just explain to you, your son has multiple warrants for his
I
arrest.
know he does.
Okay, I didn't know if you knew.
I do. And he
Okay.
has a hearing on the second
Okay,
at 9:15.
do you know why they put additional warrants out for him if he's already had a hearing?
Because why they what?
I'm just curious if he had a hearing already, why they put multiple more warrants
Because
out
his
for him.
wife is abusing the system.
What's her name? Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Look. I'm fine. I'm getting ready to search the house. Can we just leave the bullets out of this gun for a
That's
minute?
fine. I
Okay.
appreciate that.
All right. Here. Can you just put that in the drawer for me, and we'll get the bullets.
by the way.
And thank you. That's good to have. Okay. I'm going to ask my sergeant that I've looked around. Thank you, Mrs. Higgins.
You're welcome.
Sorry we got off on the wrong foot.
Well, it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
You're right about that. I don't agree with this
I don't understand.
policy.
Who called you to come here tonight?
Another car, 15 precinct car.
Who was that? What was the name?
Car 154 is all I
Who
know.
was it? I want to know who it was.
I don't know.
Because I'm going to call Interior Affairs and find out.
Car 154C.
Car 154C.
Okay. Justin!
Don't look at my bed.
I'm not. Didn't even.
Look at my donuts.
No. All right.
What did you drop, Michael?
I did. I dropped one.
It's hard to get bullets. Can you get me some bullets?
Gosh, ammo's expensive.
I
Could you
know.
just put those in your pocket for me?
I
Hey,
have to sleep
your garage. What kind of cars do you drive?
He drives,
Yeah.
I think, a Honda Civic or something.
9170. What kind of cars you got?
Silver Honda minivan.
I copy.
What are you
Thank
saying?
you. Honda minivan.
Yeah.
All right, Mrs.
I
Higgins.
said, can I have your card?
I can give you. I don't have a card, but I can give you my name and badge number. I don't have a problem with that. And thank you for being cooperative. Again, sorry we got off on the wrong foot.
Okay. You're 31 back home.
I mean, he almost got shot in the head.
Mrs. Higgins.
Because somebody coming at my house at 1 o'clock in the morning and shining flashlights at my windows is disturbing to me.
I understand. I get it.
Very disturbing in
look,
a domestic situation.
I know. And hey, I appreciate your cooperation. That's my name. That's my badge number. Okay?
Yeah.
Is there anything we can do? I'm kind of worried you're a little upset. I want to help you.
What do you mean?
Well, you're upset. Well, you came.
Wouldn't
you
you
came.
be if someone came to your house at 1 in the morning?
Well, I'd like to find out why they're there before, but then get
I
upset.
already know why.
Okay,
She's
all right.
abusing the justice system,
Okay.
filing CPOs,
Okay.
their civil protective orders,
Okay.
and
All right.
he does.
Well, they're still
He does
listing this
videos-
address for some reason. I don't know
well,
why.
they need to take it off their
Okay.
roster.
All right. Well, Mrs. Higgins,
but-
again, I apologize for bothering you. We're going to leave. You got your bullets?
They're right there.
Okay. All right, miss. You have a nice evening. Sorry about all this.
Does he stay on Bevan Court by chance? Does he stay?
No,
Do you have a?
he doesn't live here.
What's that?
He hasn't lived
That's
here
her.
in 12
That's her
years.
son.
But does he?
And what I want to know is who gave us the
Excuse me. What's up with that light?
I don't know. I was hitting all kinds of stuff on the way here.
Oh, why?
I was meeting him to get the calendar, and then I just hear you say that he got one. She has a gun. And
Oh, yeah.
and-
No, that's all good. Yeah.
no.
You fucking wait. It was okay till she started to wave it around. I had to yell at her. she didn't like me yelling at her. But,
Was this why you were inside?
yeah.
Jesus.
No. She met me at the door with the damn thing.
Oh.
Yeah. I had to get salty with her, but I think she's just drunk.
Yeah, I think she's just hammered.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what was going on here. I thought it was out of some 50 run with a guy in a minivan or something.
That's what it was. Yeah, he's not here though. And she let me search the place. I went in the basement, all the bedrooms, all the closets. He's not here. I don't know where the hell he
She's a
is.
court stenographer.
27 times she told me she's at court.
Yeah. She seemed very.
She's drunk.
Yeah.
She's drunk with a revolver. Wow. Hey, thanks, guys.